Time to bring back life on this radiator. Get yourself radiator paint. This is the Hammerite enamel paint spray. Gloss white, which resists yellowing and carries a tough enamel finish. It can be also used on hot water pipes. Firstly, make sure you turn off your radiator. Paint only on a cold radiator. Give the rad a good clean. Cover the surroundings if necessary. Lightly sand. Protect yourself and keep the windows open. Give it a good shake. Keep a 15 centimeters distance and spray in an up and down motion. Make sure you're on the move and not spraying in one spot. Look at the difference, guys. Now, if you're not keen on spraying, then there are other radiator paints out there that you can apply by brush. Leave it to dry, apply another coat if needed, and there you have it, looking good as new. Give it a shot, guys. Peace.